Inside of your YouTube channel, you could actually add hashtags that show up on top of the title when people click on your video. And the benefit of this really is when people search for different terms, these hashtags are another way for that video to show up in search. So it doesn't really hurt to add these hashtags to your videos. They've been around for a couple of years now and they haven't had the results that I was hoping for. I've been doing some testing, but I think this is something where you set up your video to last for a long time inside of YouTube search. So I still from time to time will add hashtags to my YouTube videos. So I wanted to make this video to show you exactly how I do that. It's a very simple process. So I recently uploaded this YouTube video that doesn't have any hashtags. So if I open this up, you could see it just has a title, but there's no hashtags that show up on top of that title. So I'm gonna go back to my video detail and I'm just on the details page. You could do this on your phone as well, by the way. And all you have to do is anywhere inside of the description box, on top, on the bottom, anywhere inside the description box, just type in the hashtag that you want to use. So depending on what kind of video I'm making, this time I wanna do YouTube tutorial. Now, even if you're using 2 words, you still have to type in a hashtag as 1 word. I'm gonna type in another one. So basically when people look this up inside of YouTube, I'll show you as an example. You could see here, YouTube tips is a hashtag that's been used inside of 72,000 videos across 20,000 different channels. So you could get a good idea of the type of videos. And it's a great way to show up in search in a whole different way besides people just searching exactly what they're looking for here. So now all I have to do is to this existing video, press save. And then I'll go ahead and refresh the video on this page. I'll press refresh. And if you look over here now, you could see those hashtags showed up on top of my title. So if I was to click on one of these, I'll open it in a new tab. You could see this whole new page that is under that hashtag. And because it's so fast to do this, it really doesn't hurt. Just add it in the description. You could add up to 15 tags, but I usually only do 2 and 3 because otherwise you will take away from your video title and people may not click on the video or it may look very cluttered. So I only add 2 or 3. But I do add them from time to time, especially if I'm trying to rank for something that's very difficult to rank for inside of search. Organically, this is another way that it could show up and get views. I did put together an entirely free training as well to show you exactly how I got 100 million views on this channel. Specifically, I monetize multiple channels as well. So make sure you check that out if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.